Masjid Al-Aqsa, located in Jerusalem, holds immense historical and religious significance. Here are some fascinating facts about this iconic mosque. Oldest existing Islamic structure, Masjid Al-Aqsa is one of the oldest mosques in the world, with its construction dating back to the early 8th century, making it a symbol of Islamic heritage. Dome of the Rock, many people mistakenly associate the Dome of the Rock with Masjid Al-Aqsa. While they are located on the same compound, the Dome of the Rock is a separate, stunning shrine with its distinctive golden dome. Third holiest site in Islam, after the mosques in Mecca and Medina, Masjid Al-Aqsa is considered the third holiest site in Islam. It is particularly significant as the site from which the Prophet Muhammad is believed to have ascended to the heavens during the night journey. Historical and architectural richness, the mosque boasts stunning architectural features and historical significance. Its silver dome is an iconic symbol of Jerusalem's skyline, and its interior is adorned with beautiful Islamic art. Political and religious controversies, Masjid Al-Aqsa has been at the center of numerous political and religious conflicts, primarily involving competing claims from Muslims, Jews, and Christians regarding its ownership and status. Place of worship and learning. Throughout its history, Masjid Al-Aqsa has served as not only a place of worship but also as a center for Islamic scholarship and learning. Religious diversity. While predominantly associated with Islam, the compound that houses Masjid Al-Aqsa also contains significant religious sites for Jews and Christians, adding to the cultural and religious diversity of the region. Access restrictions. Due to the sensitive political climate in the region, access to Masjid Al-Aqsa can be subject to restrictions and security measures, impacting the ability of worshippers and visitors to enter the site. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Old City of Jerusalem, including the Masjid Al-Aqsa compound, is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, acknowledging its global cultural and historical significance. Ongoing significance. Masjid Al-Aqsa remains a focal point for interfaith dialogue, political discussions, and regional tensions, making it a place of continued relevance and importance in the 21st century.